Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sneha Nikte, consultant physician and diabetologist practicing at Dr. Nikte Clinic, Chembur. 21st June is a World Yoga Day. I would like to extend my heartfelt wishes to you all. आज हम एक डिफरेंट टॉपिक के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं। योगा और मॉडर्न मेडिसिन किस तरीके से इंटीग्रेटेड है हमारी थेरेपी में, आज हम इसके बारे में बात करेंगे। बहुत पुराने समय से योगा का महत्व हम जानते हैं। आरोग्य के बारे में जब भी बात होती है तो योगा का महत्व मॉडर्न मेडिसिन के साथ बहुत बार बताया जाता है। योगा मॉडर्न मेडिसिन का रिप्लेसमेंट तो नहीं है, लेकिन इसके साथ साथ एक स्ट्रॉन्ग लाइफस्टाइल इंटरवेंशनल मेथड है। आज हम देखने वाले हैं कुछ महत्वपूर्ण आसन। इसके बारे में मैं आपको कुछ जानकारी दूंगी। सो आवर फर्स्ट आसन फॉर टुडे इज वज्रासन। दिस इज अ वेरी कॉमन आसन प्रैक्टिस बाय मेजॉरिटी ऑफ पीपल। इसके लिए हमें क्या करना है? First, sit on the mat with your body resting on your heels. Keep the spine erect. Breathe smoothly and slowly. Hold this pose for good 5 to 10 minutes. You may increase this practice gradually. This is the only asana that can be practiced even immediately after eating. If you talk about the benefits of this asana gives excellent control in diabetes management. This stimulates the digestion process and also stimulates the pancreatic juices. This also helps in controlling the kidney damage. This is the best asana for spine alignment as well. Kindly practice this asana at least twice daily for better results. Now next asana is Pavan Muktasana. For this, lie flat back on the mat. Keep your hands next to your thighs. Once you inhale, while exhaling, bring both your knees to your chest and hold them tightly. Hold this pose for 2 to 3 seconds and breathe smoothly. So Pavan Muktasana massages the abdominal muscles and helps you release the gas and bloating. It activates your digestion and thereby helps the better control of diabetes as well. It also stimulates your blood circulation. This is an excellent pose for maintaining your spine alignment as well. Kindly practice this pose as much as possible. Next asana is Bhujangasana. For this, lie flat on your stomach with your hands rested next to your thighs. Lift your body while inhaling and hold this pose. Slowly exhale and release this pose. The benefits of Bhujangasana are known very well. This is one asana which can help increase your lung capacity. It also stimulates your digestion, helps in alignment of your spine, and helps to manage your diabetes. This is one asana which can help you in heart opening, pancreatic stimulation, alignment of your spine, and managing your diabetes. This asana is a very useful asana for increasing your lung capacity. Next asana is Surya Namaskar or Sun Salutations. Let's see how to perform Surya Namaskar. For this, stand in front of the mat with your feet together and hands joined in the Namaskar pose. Now inhale and raise your arms overhead and then arch your back, touch your feet down. This is Padhastasana. Now inhale and take your right foot back. Now inhale and take your left foot back while looking at the sky. Now hold the knees and move into a plank position. Now let your knees, chest and chin align and touch the ground. This is known as the Ashtanga Namaskar pose. Now inhale and lift your chest into a cobra pose, also known as Bhujangasana. Now lift your body and get into a downward dog position, that is Parvatasana. Hold this mountain pose or Parvatasana for 2 seconds. Now again inhale and bring your right leg forward. Now exhale and bring your left foot forward as well. Now inhale and rise up the arms overhead, touching both the feet by bending forward, and slowly come back to the starting position. All throughout these 12 poses, ensure that your breathing, inhalation and exhalation pattern remains constant. Now let's see the benefits of Surya Namaskar. This is Sarvangasana, that is, the whole body is stimulated while performing this asana. This is one asana which has multiple benefits across all the organ systems. This is one asana which is known to stimulate the blood circulation, enhance the digestion. It also opens up your lungs and heart. It stimulates the pancreas. It helps to manage your bloating and flatulence as well. This asana is also known as a metabolic booster asana. It helps stimulate your basic metabolism. It also boosts your revitality and energy. This is very useful asana for your posture correction and improve flexibility of the body. Do practice this asana for good 4 to 12 rounds every day. Next asana is pranayam or breathing exercises. For this, sit comfortably in Sukhasana with your hands rested in Gyan Mudra on your knees. Inhale smoothly and breathe comfortably. For Anulom Vilom, close your right nostril using the right thumb and inhale through the left nostril. While holding your breath for 2 to 3 counts, now release the right nostril and breathe comfortably through left nostril again. Practice this for 4 to 12 rounds more. This asana is a comfortable Sukhasana asana. Practice this for 10 to 15 minutes, controlling rhythm and maintaining the breathing pattern. The benefits of pranayama are very well known. All the breathing exercises help opening in lungs. They also help in maintaining the posture and brings lot of revitalizing energy. It helps in heart rhythm regulation, managing blood sugar, and also for opening your lungs. This helps in bringing lot of mental clarity as well. This helps in improving the calm, reduces the anxiety, and induces better sleep. These breathing exercises are very well known for maintaining good physical and mental well-being in individuals. Kindly practice these breathing exercises right in the beginning or towards the end of your yoga session. So we are very sure you have enjoyed performing yogasanas with us. We hope you practice these yogasanas in your daily routine. So yoga and modern medicine are not competing approaches. They are complementary partners. And also, these yoga poses are not meant only for the yoga day. Make this as a regular habit to practice yoga in your day-to-day life. We hope you found this today's session very helpful. We again extend your warm wishes on World Yoga Day. Keep practicing yoga for mindful and healthy living. Thank you.